dog gonna sit over here. Yo, man, see a carrot chicken man here, you know, man. Yo, I just saw a word, but I just saw Cartel, you know. Long time no see. Yo, Cartel. Yo, Cartel.
Yo.
Yo, brother, from what day, I never see you upon the ends. How about really I go on?
You can't hold me on no corner. You have to catch me in a house like Tony Montana.
Yo, stop the nonsense, brother, because you're the man who love the street, you know. You can't tell me nothing, you know.
From Portmore City to Uptown.
Yo, so what really do from morning, brother?
From a wake up, start smoke.
Yo, me know you're weaving from long time, you know.
Full of weed like me. Guys, I'm say.
Yo, me know you and Tanisha go through some problem, you know. How you manage?
It's alright. I'm cool now. But more wild. I'm stressed out.
Yo, me know, brother. That's why I'm going to see a therapist. Look, you know. Yo, call a number here. She can help you. It's anytime me and Abby go through a problem them, she help you, brother. So, I have faith in her. Yo, madam, I make a move and say, you don't know a chop, you know, you see me? You link you here.
3 o'clock? What is that on the schedule today? Adija Palmer? Come in! Right on time. Hi, take a seat, man. Take a seat. Alright, let me start by asking, how are you feeling today?
Me feel so weed make me get
How you slept last night?
cry myself to sleep.
Oh God. You know them something that difficult, you know? Oh God, do not cry. It's gonna make you ugly. Stop.
I remember when we fell apart. Have never grown very far.
So you think you played a part in the problem?
It's like me but feel of the fame. Jah know say me shoulda know better.
Yes, man, it's important to recognize some of your mistakes.
Me grow mal bout the astray. Studio was me excuse.
I can tell that you really care about Tanisha. That's her name, right? Relationship come with up and down, man.
Never had a girl show me love so poetic.
You go pull through, you go stronger than this.
We stand strong. Stand up like a man.
Throughout this roller coaster ride, have you ever considered suicide or drug abuse?
Nah see no rope, me no lose hope. And you nah see no dope, weed my smoke.
I'm happy for you, that man. So the weed will help you cope?
But it's so slow.
So instead of always avoiding Tanisha and using the studio as excuse, you ever think about confronting the situation and just anger the problem?
Makes no sense to argue with her. Yeah, we both know we're afraid of. We know I lose each other for another.
So what you really want among all things?
I just wanna be happy in my life. I just wanna have someone to love me.
You know you really are a good man. But don't worry yourself, you're going to find somebody one day to make you happy. But we not give up on Tanisha because there is still hope. And after all, we're still young. Just not cheat for now, man. Spend more time with she and the kids.
One woman can't satisfy me.
What you say?
One woman can't satisfy me.
No, Sabbath Cartel, tell me. Oh, you share yourself with multiple women.
My love can't live in a one girl soul.
Tell me how you do it, no?
Hold on, Monday for Gina, Tuesday for Trina,
You know something seriously wrong with you, though?
Wednesday Selena, Thursday for Tina,
Don't tell me say you have a girl for Friday because that's your therapy day.
Friday Katrina, Sabrina, Regina.
At least give Tanisha and the kids them Saturday and Sunday, no?
Sunday for Lena, Sunday for Gleena.
No wonder you and Tanisha have problems. You know, some I normally diagnose clients for the first session, though. But you realize you're a nymphomania.
Baby, I miss you so much. I'm dying for come tea for look fuck you.
Girl is some birth from me step up on the earth from January 1st to December 31st. I'm out.